So first off, I'm gonna tie up my hair because I gotta get these bangs out of my face. I can't be doing foundation and have, you know, bangs and whatnot in my face. So first off, we're going to moisturize our face because it's feeling really dry today. So I'm just taking my Purity moisturizer. I'm just gonna pat that all over the skin. And now I'm going to prime and moisturize with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So it's a moisturizer and primer together. But I feel like it's more so a primer. I'm gonna go into foundation and we're gonna use our ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I feel like this is very lightweight. Now that the foundation is on and it's all blended, we are going to go into concealing. And I noticed that in the 90s they didn't conceal, but I have bags, so I need to conceal. So I'm just going to take my heart-shaped tape in the color Deep, and I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on there. I'm not going to do too much. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of contour just to chisel out my features, at least my jaw, my bottom, the bottom half of my face. So like this area right here, I'm just gonna contour. I'm not gonna do my forehead contour or my nose either. Now we're gonna blend out the concealer. We're gonna set everything, so I'm gonna use my No Filter Setting Powder by ColourPop. So now we have to do our brows, and our brows have to be extra thin, so I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. Bam. And we're going to brush it out first. I'm just using an old dusty brow brush. I think this one's from e.l.f. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm just going to create a very thin brow. And then we're gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna take my matte concealer in NC42. I'm gonna take the tip of one of my LA Girl Pro concealers, like my old ones, and I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. Okay, my brows look really good. It's not as thin as, you know, theirs are, but I feel like they look really good. My skin looks freaking flawless. It looks like butter. So next, since my face is all powdery, I'm going to set it with a setting spray just to melt everything in, or sometimes I use my rose water. So I'm just gonna use this All-Star setting spray from ColourPop. We're gonna keep the eye look pretty basic and pretty normal. We're just gonna probably pat some brown on it, and that's it. I feel like we need to line up our waterline because that's what they used to do back then. I'm just going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm taking a very small brush. I'm going to line my top lash and then line my waterline as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some mascara, and I'm gonna use my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I'm like really freaking out because I don't have lashes on. What if I just put on very natural looking lashes? Would that be fine with you guys? Do y'all even care? I'm gonna put on lashes. Alright, so I got on some lashes, right? And these are freaking bomb. These are like the Jasmine Brown lashes. So now we're gonna do our lips, and I feel like doing the infamous brown lip liner combo with the lip gloss type look. I'm gonna take this ColourPop liquid lip in Limbo because I don't like using pencil liners. I like lining my lips with liquid lipstick. I know people are probably like, ooh. I'm gonna use Buxom's Full On Lip Polish in the color Star on top. Okay, so I feel like the makeup is missing something, maybe a mole. I'm gonna take my NYX That's the Point liquid liner and I'm gonna create a little 90s mole around my mouth. I'm gonna try this color first, this right here, because I feel like it's a mauvey pink color and it doesn't look too crazy, so let's see. Yeah, that works. Ooh, that's crazy on that side, it's crazy on that side. Let's dust it off. I kind of want to warm up my contour a little bit, just a little bit. I want to add a little tiny bit of contour. So I'm going to take this color, oh, that looks a little dark. I'm going to take it anyway. I'm going to take this color right here. And if you didn't notice, I just added that in there because that's where my natural mole is, but I cover it every time I do my makeup, so yeah. Alright, and I also added a little mole right here. I didn't do the whole freckle thing because I was like, that's a little bit too much. That's not 90s. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my hair, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look of my 90s inspired makeup look. It's very natural, very everyday-ish. I feel like that's what the 90s were all about, doing natural, simple looks. So yeah, this look right here, definitely got that 90s flair. I'm giving you that Tatiana Ali bang and bun look right now. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be in this corner or this corner. Thank you so much for tuning into another video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.